Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you how to apply the 1-minute scalping strategy, which I have tested on 100 trades with the EMA plus the fractal indicators. This trading strategy is a very powerful and effective system that you can implement to generate massively profitable scalping trade setups in the market. You have to be very careful if you want to apply this 1-minute scalping trading strategy, and make sure you ensure a well-analyzed money management system. Scalping is a tedious trading style, and navigating to scalp on the 1-minute time frame makes it more extremely difficult and risky. To successfully have a profitable result trading the 1-minute chart, it's essential you choose a fast market order execution broker with very small spreads. Also, make sure you scalp in direction of the higher trend. Doing this will increase the chances of your winning rate in the market. This strategy becomes reliable and powerful the more you navigate to trade it on the higher time frame. If you carefully study and properly apply this trading strategy, the result would be worth the value of the time invested, especially if you implement it on a higher time frame. This strategy uses the 3 exponential moving averages and the fractal indicator. The fractal indicator is a market reversal indicator used in technical analysis, while the exponential moving average indicator measures trend directions over a period of time. These 2 indicators are overlay trading indicators, and their parameters can be modified to suit traders' trading styles. Modifying these parameters means you have to backtest each parameter's settings to find which has the best trading result. Take note, we will have to focus on trending markets and not a market trading within the range or a choppy market. Before I start showing you how this strategy works, I need to let you know my preferred parameter settings for the EMA and fractal indicator. My EMA length settings are 100 length for the red line, 50 length for the blue line, and 20 length for the yellow line, while the fractal indicator settings are the 2 period, which is the default setting, is okay. But I wish to modify the color of the shapes for easy visibility on the trading chart. Let's change the below bar color to green and the above bar color to red. How do these indicators work now that we have these indicators' parameter settings modified to suit our trading styles? The EMA indicator works for a long position whenever the 20 period, which is the yellow line, crosses above the 50 period, blue line, and the 100 period, red line. We can see on the trading chart, whenever this action occurs, it usually led to a bullish move. Also, the EMA indicator works for a short position whenever the 20 period, which is the yellow line, crosses below the 50 period, blue line, and 100 period, red line. Whenever this occurs on the trading chart, it usually generates a sell signal. To apply the fractal indicator with the EMA, we need to watch out for bearish pullback into the EMA. As we can see on this chart here, how price made a bullish move. And next, price made a bearish pullback into the 20 and 50 EMA. Once this happens, next is to watch out for the green symbol of the fractal indicator as a get ready signal. And once there's a formation of a bullish candlestick, we then initiate a buy order. This is how to apply this strategy for a long anticipation in the market. Let's see an example of this buy strategy setups in action. Here's a bullish move upward. Price makes a bearish pull now. All we need to do now is to patiently watch out for the formation of a bullish candlestick and a green symbol of the fractal indicator as a get ready signal to buy. Here comes the bullish bar. We can see the green symbol of the fractal indicator is formed. Now we can go long here. Our stop loss should be at the low of the 100 EMA period. There are two options to close our trade in this setup. Number 1, using the 50 EMA period to trail our profit. Number 2, or targeting 3 times the risk value. So let's see if the setup would work out as anticipated. Okay, the bulls stepped in and moved price upward. We can see our take profit target hit. You can as well apply this setup for a long position on a higher time. If the price should make a bearish pullback below the 100 period EMA, then it means our analysis is wrong. Also, take note, do not enter multiple trades at a time. For example, if we have an existing open trade and there's a pullback such like we have here, it's advisable not to make an entry. Doing this would avoid us risking too much on our trading account. Now let's see how this scalping strategy would work on the bearish trend. First, we need to search for an existing bearish trend on the 1 hour or 30 minutes chart. Here's a bearish trend on this 30 minutes chart. Now let's navigate to the 1 minute chart. To apply this setup for bearish anticipation, we need to see the 20 period, yellow line, cross below the 50 period, blue line, and 100 period, red line. As we can see here on this chart, the 20 period, yellow line, cross below the 50 period, blue line, and 100 period, red line. Once this occurs, the next step is to patiently watch out for price bullish pullback to the red symbol of the fractal indicator as a get-ready signal to sell. Okay, good. Here comes a bullish pullback here to the red symbol of the fractal indicator. Let's wait for a bearish bar. Okay, here comes a bearish bar. Now we can execute a sell position here. Our stop loss should be above the 100 period EMA. We can target 3 risk-reward ratios, or trail our profit with the 50 period EMA as price moves downward. The key concept to apply the 1 minute scalping strategy with the EMA plus the fractal indicators is to watch out for the 20 period EMA cross above the 50 and 100 period. Then execute a buy entry after a bearish pullback in a bull trend to the green symbol of the fractal indicator. And on the bearish trend, watch out for the 20 period EMA to cross below the 50 and 100 period. Then execute a sell entry after a bullish pullback to the red symbol of the fractal indicator. You can see nothing's hard about this scalping trading strategy. But remember, the higher the time frame you navigate to apply this strategy, the stronger and more reliable it becomes. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.